In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grille on your Subaru Crosstrek. This goes in the front of the vehicle and mounts to the bumper. Let's get started. To remove the wheel, we're going to use a 19mm socket. Now simply remove the wheel. And we'll do the same on the other side. With the front wheels off the vehicle, we can more easily access the clips holding the splash shield to the vehicle. I'm going to use a pair of clip pliers, but you can use a flathead. With the clips removed from both sides of the vehicle, we can move on to the 12mm bolts on the underside. And we have one more clip on the front side of the fender liner. And we'll do the same on the other side. Pushing from the front of the car to the back, we can remove the splash shield from the bumper. The back portion of the splash shield will be held up by these two little clips. Pop those off and it releases. We'll remove the 10mm at the front of the fender liner. We'll remove the two clips at the front of the fender liner. For this, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a clip tool. We'll remove the other clip in the front of the fender liner. We can pop down the front of the fender liner. With the fender liner moved out of the way, we can get up to this clip. You can use a flathead, a clip tool. I have a clip fork. We can undo our fog light connector. Just press in on the tab and pull out. Make sure you check your terminals for any corrosion. These look good. Same on the other side. We'll remove the upper clips holding the grille and bumper in. If the clips get stuck as you're trying to remove them, the center push pin may want to be set down a little more than it is. If it's too high up, it won't let it pull out. If you push it back down a little bit, it might pull out. Any clips that get broken while removing them, make sure you replace those. Being cautious not to damage the body or the bumper cover itself, pull on this area. If you need to, you can push from the backside. I'll move to the front, do the same on the other side. And there you have it. Now that we have the bumper cover removed, we're going to be coming along the top here. We'll remove this plastic piece. I'm using a fork clip tool to remove the clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you need. Now we can remove our 4 Phillips head screws. It can help to put a little bit of pressure on the front side of the bumper to prevent the screws from stripping out. We're going to come along the bottom here, pinch each of these clips inward while pushing out on the grille. And there we have it. We're just going to do the reverse order of removing our old grille to install our new one. We'll start out by pushing the clips in along the bottom. We can install our 4 screws. Be very cautious not to over tighten these. When you feel the screw bottom out, you can stop. You can reinstall the shroud. Make sure you replace any broken clips. Installing the bumper. We're going to go ahead and install our clips, holding in the grille. We can reinstall our clip, holding the bumper to the fender. Make sure you plug in your fog lights. Do the same on the other side. And we can reinstall our fender liner. We'll reinstall our 10mm screw. And we can install the clips in the front portion of the fender liner. To reinstall our engine splash shield, we're going to hang it by the hooks on the back. We can leave it hanging there and install our clips on the front. You'll have to flex the splash shield just a little bit to get it to form up into the front of the bumper. Now we'll install our clips. Line the hole in the fender liner up with the hole in the splash shield. You want the top part of your clip to be halfway out so that it will go in. And push in on the clip. Do the same on the other side. We'll reinstall the bolts holding the splash shield in. The long ones go in the front and the short ones go in the back. Tighten these up with our 12mm. To reinstall the wheel, line up the lug studs. If you support the bottom of the wheel, and thread one lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. Now, snug down the lug nuts. Don't over tighten them because you're going to want to be able to torque them after. Now we're going to torque the lugs to 89 foot-pounds. You want to torque in a star pattern, keeping all of the lugs even as you bring them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.